Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching.
In this video, I'm going to be removing the shift cables from this Saturn. I believe it's a 2002 S series. Has a standard transmission. So we're going to take the center console loose, take the shift cables loose from up here, go inside the engine bay, take them loose from the transmission, and then remove them through the firewall. What I do is take the center console loose, find screws maybe down in here, take off the screws on both sides over here. These panels are already removed, so you'll have to figure that out and go from there. Screws here, maybe lean the seat up a little bit to get it down both sides. Those 6 screws removed, the console come up, disconnect the wire to your cigarette lighter, move the console out of the way. Next I'm going to pull this bracket loose here, looks like a 10mm, and figure out a way to get these loose here. Pop the cables off of the shifter there. You got one there, one over there. Let me see how these come off without damaging them. I pulled that bracket off with a 10mm. Now that cable's loose. And I pried the cable off the linkage with a trim clip puller. So I got the other side. Look like I'll have to get this one from the other side as well. Let me see if I could get it in this way and pry it off of there. I got this other cable loose, pushing this toward the passenger side, getting my trim puller, jamming it under there, forcing it off. Trim here off. Now I have to pull this carpet back, see if there's a nut or something under there that I'll have to take loose, because the cables are going through right there, through the firewall. You got this insulation stuff. So I'm going to cut it away with my knife. There's my knife there. Razor work too. I don't see any hardware. It's probably just pushed through the firewall with that clip. So let me go under the hood, take the cables loose from the transmission. Under the brake booster, I see a cable with a clip on top, and then about 3 inches under there, I see a cable with a clip under it. So let me pull those quick release clips and get those cables dangling. So all you do is lift up on that tab and slide them off. I pulled both of those clips off and unhook the cables from the linkages. Now I'm going to go under the car and see where they go through the firewall, see if there's something I need to release to get them to start going through the firewall. A speed sensor or something here, and then you see a cable there, the other cable's there. There's a clip that's holding those cables into the bracket on the transmission, so those will definitely need to be pulled. And then here is where the cable goes through the firewall. So I got to figure out if this plug comes into the car or out of the car. I can't tell right now the way it is, so I'll have to mess with it for a couple of seconds. Here past this heater hose, you can see the clip that holds the cables into the transmission. So I'm going to pry those clips up and get those out of the transmission. That flat thing there is what I'm going to have to pry up on. So I went under the vehicle, I pulled the cables toward the passenger side about 1 inch, and then I unhooked them from the brackets. So now the cables are hanging down under the car, and I'm going to go inside. I'm trying to figure out if they should go into the car or come out into the engine bay. Turned out to be easier for me to work the gasket in than to pop it out. So I'm pulling them in through the driver's side, and That's how I got them through the firewall. And there they are. Just do the reverse, putting them back in.
If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.